Welcome to Behind the Orders. Are you feeling overwhelmed by the family court process in Western Australia? You are not alone. We know it can feel like learning a new language, but we're here to give you a sneak peek into how Brief.Case.com.au can simplify your journey. Before we get started in breaking down the real cases, we need to understand the maze of the family court process. The next few videos will explore the different but integral parts of this maze. Once have a foundational grasp of the process, we will have a clear understanding of what tools we need and when. To kick us off today, we start with Stage 1, Part 1, your family court journey, what to file and how to start. Before we proceed, please be reminded that this video provides general information and examples for educational purposes only. It does not constitute legal advice. Family law is complex, and we always strongly recommend seeking independent legal advice tailored to your specific situation before filing any documents. So, you're starting or responding to a family court case in WA. How do you even begin? Your first vital step is to determine your role. Are you the applicant, initiating a new case, or the respondent, replying to one already filed and served? This fundamental decision dictates the very first form you need to complete. If you're starting a new case, you'll need the Form 1, Initiating Application. This form officially starts your court case and outlines the specific orders you're seeking from the court. Think of it as your opening statement to the judge, clearly stating what you want and why. But what if you've already been served? Then you're the respondent, and your key document is the Form 1A, Response to Initiating Application. This is your official reply, where you can agree, disagree with, or seek different orders. Understanding these forms is just the beginning, and we walk you through every section, step by step. Once you know your role, you need to identify the core of your dispute. Is it about children's arrangements known as parenting orders? Is it solely about financial matters like dividing assets and liabilities, property settlement, or financial support for a former spouse, spousal maintenance? Or perhaps it's both. This choice directly impacts which crucial supporting documents like affidavits and statements you'll need to prepare. For parenting matters, you'll likely encounter the Case Information Affidavit, and if safety is a concern, the Form 4, Notice of Child Abuse and Family Violence or Risk, is mandatory. For financial cases, it's the Form 13, Financial Statement, a comprehensive disclosure of your income, expenses, assets, liabilities, and financial resources. You might also need a general affidavit for specific factual evidence. Each of these documents plays a critical role, and our guides break down exactly what information you need to include. Here's a crucial concept. Most of these documents are affidavits. This means every piece of information you provide is sworn or affirmed to be true. It's your formal written testimony to the court. Accuracy and honesty are paramount, as providing false or misleading information carries serious consequences. Our resources show you how to present your facts clearly, avoiding common pitfalls like opinions or unsubstantiated claims. Did you know that common mistakes can lead to significant delays or even adverse outcomes in your case? We're talking about things like not fully disclosing information, which breaches your duty of full and frank disclosure, or treating your affidavits as an opinion piece instead of sticking to concrete facts. Missing strict deadlines, or failing to properly serve documents on the other party can also have serious consequences, even leading to orders being made in your absence. Other pitfalls include submitting incomplete forms, seeking unrealistic orders, or making claims without having supporting evidence ready. And crucially, ignoring safety concerns by not filing a Form 4 when allegations of family violence or child abuse are relevant. These are just a few of the common errors we help you identify and avoid. While this video offers a glimpse, completing these forms accurately and understanding your legal obligations is a detailed process. Our comprehensive Western Australia edition guides provide step-by-step instructions for each form, practical examples, top tips for success, and clear explanations to empower self-represented litigants like you. Ready to unlock the full picture? Don't navigate the complexities of family court alone. For detailed guidance, easy-to-understand breakdowns, and essential tools to confidently prepare your documents, visit www.briefmycase.com.au. Empower yourself with the knowledge you need. That's www.briefmycase.com.au. The link is in the comments below. Thanks for watching Behind the Orders. Next time, we look into Stage 1, Part 2, where we go through a quick document filing checklist, and until then, watch out for what is behind those orders.